Welcome to my YouTube channel. For my old subscribers, thank you for being there for me. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button. It is absolutely free. It is free of charge. You will not be charged for subscribing. Right, then turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop a new video. Please drop your comment on the comment section. It will help me to work on my videos. Tell me how my videos have added value to you and have been of a help to you. Right, let's go down to the drafting. This is my drafting paper. We're going to use a drafting paper. You can use any paper of your choice. All right, so the length of my design is 7 1/4 and the width is 6 1/4. Sorry, for the video, the other part that is not shown. I'm sorry for that. All right, so you fold your pattern paper into 2 equal parts. The width is what you're folding into 2 equal parts, and then you fold and make sure it is 2 equal parts. Okay, the length remains 7 1/4. It is the width of the design pattern that we folded into 2. We're using pattern because of mass production. All right, so from the down part of it, use 3/4 of an inch. All right, then you mark 3/4 of an inch. Then you draw the curve with your free hand. If you prefer to use a French curve, you can use a French curve to produce that curve. I just decided to use a free hand for this video sake. And so what you need to do is just take your scissors and cut along with that pattern. All right, and then you open it. This is how your design will look like after doing that. And so what we need to do, we are going to measure 4 inch, but your 2 inch must be placed in the middle of your pattern paper. 2 inch, as you can see on the screen, 2 inch. Then you mark 4 inch, 2 inch left, 2 inch right. Right, that's 4 inch altogether. Don't forget 2 inch, and then you try to draw that 2 inch down, and the other side, left hand side, 2 inch down. All right, then the next thing is you take your tape and you place it on top of your pattern paper, and then mark 1 3/4 inch. Okay, that's what you're marking. You mark 1 3/4 inch, and then what you need to do is you take your ruler. Okay, you take your ruler, then you rule slant. Okay, slant your ruling, and just as you can see on the screen, and take it to the other side as well, the left hand side, and you rule with a slant rule as well. Okay, as you can see, this is what we're producing. And so the next thing is from that 1 3/4 that you measured, just measure half of an inch. Okay, measure half of an inch and indicate it in your right hand side of that slant line, and also indicate it on the left hand side of that slant line. And so what we need to do, place your ruler at that tip of that half inch that we just drew, and slant it down as you can see it. Okay, slant it down don't forget we're following that design that we see that looks like a pocket. It looks like a senator pocket, but that is not pocket, it's just a design. Okay, so just roll it slantly like this, and then the next thing to do is take your scissors and you cut. Okay, take your scissors and cut. Right, so what we need to do now, okay, what we're cutting that, what we need to do is to cut the tiny part of it out, the right hand side and the left hand side. So take your scissors and follow the line. All right, if my video has been of help to you, please click on like. Okay, down below, just click on like. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Right, and give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. Whenever I drop new videos, you'll be informed immediately. All right, so this is your design patterns already. All right, this is how it will look like. In our next video, we're going to tell you how you can actually design the pocket with this pocket pattern. How you can design that senator wear that looks like pocket with this design. So if my video has been of help to you, please don't forget to share with others. Bye bye.